Oculus the query for free each time by trying to take a key cutting machine. It's for the key. There is code on the label. It means key number. Click Oculus. Select Vehicle option. Ford vehicle. Enter the Ford option. And then input key number 30757. Click search. It shows key blank number. Select the proper key blank. Install the key blank depending on guiding picture. Click OK. The key binding is all ready. Just click cut. This video is a real cut. It will take almost 50 minutes. Please take your time. Clean the particles after finish cutting. Perfect cutting. Nice cutting. Try to turn on the lock. All is perfect.